Today I will show you that how to download and install SharpDevelop software and how you can run C# program on it. The size of SharpDevelop software is only 13.19 MB, which is very lightweight and best for low configured PC. If you have a low configured PC, then I will highly recommend this app to you for C# programming. But before downloading SharpDevelop software, you will need to download .NET framework, because without .NET framework you can't run C# program in any IDE or code editor. Don't worry, I will show you all these steps in my video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you'll need to download .NET SDK 64-bit from here. This link will be given in my video description. From there you can come here and download this 64-bit .NET SDK. I have already downloaded this one, so I'm not going to download it again. If you have already downloaded .NET framework, then you don't need to download it again. But if you have not downloaded it, then you must need to download it first. Okay, after that you will need to download SharpDevelop from here. So this link will be given in my video description. From there you can come here and download SharpDevelop. So here you will need to download the USO one. Okay, so just click on download button. After 3 seconds the download will be started automatically. I have already downloaded this one also, and now I am going to open the folder where I have downloaded these two software. So after that you will need to click on the setup file to install it. I have already installed this one, so for this reason it is showing the uninstall button, but when you will open it, it will show you the next button, the common way to install any software. So I hope that you can do it, and here you can see the next button. So in this way you can install the SharpDevelop and .NET SDK. I hope that you can do this. I could not show you the full process because this two software is already installed on my PC. I hope that you can do this because the installation process is very simple and same as always. You need to click on next button to install these two software from here. Okay, now I am going to show you guys that how you can create and run C# program on SharpDevelop. So first of all, you need to write here SharpDevelop to find out the software, and then you'll need to open it, and here you can see that I have already created some C# program here. Now I am going to create a new solution to show you that how you can also create a C# program on SharpDevelop and run it. So you will need to click on the new solution button, and then you will need to select console application, and then you will need to give the name of your file. So I am going to give it tutorial. Okay, I'm going to give it tutorial.cs. .cs means C#. This is the extension of your C# file, and then you'll need to click on create button, and here you can see that this is a by default program from SharpDevelop. If you run this from here, it will print hello world. Here I can change the code. I can write hello from TechHelpBD. Okay, if I write hello from TechHelpBD, if I run the code now, here you can see that hello from TechHelpBD. In this way you can create a C# program and run C# program on SharpDevelop. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching.